What if I told you that you can create a fully animated Christmas video complete with Disney Pixar-style characters, professional voiceover, and festive music in under 5 minutes? And no, you don't need to be an animator. You don't even need to know what a keyframe is. In my last video about Invideo AI, I showed you the basics. Today, we're taking things to the next level with more advanced video models. Let's make some holiday magic. Today, I want to create a Pixar-style Christmas animation. I'll select Workflows, Animated Video, and the Disney Pixar style in the generation settings. And here's what's different today. In my previous video, I used a detailed prompt to generate content. But now, I want to show you a more professional approach, creating a complete screenplay with scene-by-scene breakdown. I used Claude AI to help me generate detailed descriptions for each scene. It's a huge time saver and helps create consistent, well-structured scene descriptions. It created a complete 10-scene screenplay that tells a heartwarming Christmas story. I won't read through all the scenes right now because that would take too long, but don't worry, I'll paste the complete screenplay in the description below this video so you can use it for your own projects. I'm pasting this entire script into Invideo AI and letting the pro models do their work. Let's generate and see what happens. In the next window, I can choose between the basic, pro, and ultra models. This time, I'll select the pro option, which uses models like VO3 and Sora 2 in the generation process. Now hit generate, and Invideo will process all 10 scenes using multiple AI models. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes, sometimes a bit longer when you have detailed scene-by-scene prompts because the AI is working harder to maintain consistency. And here we are! Our video is ready. Let's watch it together.
On a magical Christmas Eve, a charming village sparkles beneath the winter sky. In the heart of town, families gather at the festive market, where wonder fills the air. Young Emma discovers treasures beyond the toy shop window, her eyes bright with Christmas dreams. Inside, Mr. Winters welcomes visitors to his magical world of toys and holiday wishes. The family reunites with warm embraces, sharing hot cocoa and the joy of being together. They stroll home through streets adorned with twinkling lights and holiday cheer. Their cozy cottage awaits, glowing with warmth and the promise of Christmas morning. Inside, a magnificent tree stands ready, surrounded by carefully wrapped surprises. The children rush forward with pure delight, their laughter filling the room with magic. As snow falls gently outside, the family shares a perfect moment of love, creating memories that will last forever.
The village looks magical, the lighting is warm and cozy, and the overall Christmas atmosphere is definitely there. Now, is it perfect? No. Let's be honest here. You'll notice some inconsistencies. There's an extra child appearing in the family scenes, some facial expressions might look a bit off, and character consistency between scenes isn't always 100%. But for just a few minutes of work, this is pretty impressive. Invideo gives you tools to fix some of the issues. First, you have the so-called magic box, which is basically a text prompt window. You can type simple text commands to make changes to your video. Things like delete scene 3, change the voiceover accent, or add more snow effects. You can also click the edit button below and get access to media, music, script, and other settings. In the Media tab, you can click on any scene and replace the video clip with something else. You can browse stock footage, generate new AI clips using text to clip, or upload your own media. This is where you'd go to swap out problematic scenes. The Music tab lets you change the background music entirely, adjust its volume, or pick a different mood. You can search for tracks by genre or vibe. Want something more upbeat or more emotional? Just browse and swap. In the Script tab, you can edit the voiceover text directly, change any line, fix typos, or rewrite entire sections. The AI will regenerate the voiceover with your changes. And Settings gives you control over things like subtitle style, transitions, voiceover settings, and volume control. Now, let's go back to the Media tab. I want to be completely transparent with you. I tried several times to fix the scenes where the extra third child appeared. I wrote more specific prompts. I emphasized that the family has exactly 4 members. I tried regenerating those scenes multiple times, but honestly, I couldn't fully eliminate the problem within Invideo. The newly generated scenes didn't visually match the rest of the clip. It seems that Invideo doesn't use the previously generated scenes for reference at all. So what did I do? I decided to download the video as it was and do some additional editing outside of Invideo to fix the most noticeable issues. And you know what? Despite these limitations, I still think the result is really impressive for just a few minutes of work. We went from a text prompt to a fully animated Christmas story with voiceover, music, and professional-looking visuals. That's something that would have taken days with traditional animation tools. Based on my experience, here are a few tips if you want to get better results. First, be as specific as possible in your character descriptions. Include details like hair color, clothing, everything that makes a character unique. Second, keep your scenes simple. The fewer characters in a scene, the more consistent the results tend to be. Third, don't be afraid to generate multiple versions. Sometimes the second or third attempt comes out much better than the first. And fourth, plan for some post-production. Having a backup plan to do minor fixes in another editing tool can save you a lot of frustration. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to AI Video Studio for more AI-powered content creation tutorials. Drop a comment below telling me what kind of video you're going to create with Invideo AI. Thanks for watching and happy creating!